Y'all, I went to Aldi today and I thought I would give you a little grocery haul. Well, it's not that little. It was almost $80. But I went in there for cheese and $80 later. Here's what I got. So I'll show you what I got. I got some bags. Those are 98-cent bags from Aldi, so I can arrange my freezers. Getting ready to start a challenge where I'm using all the meat in my freezer. So I'm going to try and arrange everything and get everything organized and get everything that I need and write down everything. So I've got some croissants. I am going to use that in a video you'll probably see tomorrow for breakfast. I'm using that in a sweet breakfast idea for a Christmas breakfast. I got some corn chips. I've got some jalapenos that I need for an appetizer. I got some more Clubhouse crackers for an appetizer. Sour cream for some dip. I've got some bananas. I've got some more of these sharp cheddar cheese balls. They're still only $1. I think they're $1.39 now, but you cannot make it for that price. So I got the cheese. That was $4.99. It was pretty expensive. And we are having my niece is having a soup party where we bring a soup and everybody, there's a judge and everybody writes down our favorite. So you get prizes. So I want to make a good soup. So I got some Velveeta cheese. I'm going to make a cheeseburger soup. I got 2 packs of hot sausage and 1 mild to make some like appetizers for that, using that. And those were $2.29 a piece. These were $1.69. These were $2.99. And the chips were $1.79. The Clubhouse crackers are $2.29 and the sour cream was $1.69. Then I've got some milk. It was $2.29. The sausages are at $2.29, yeah. And I've got some crescent rolls. You gotta keep stocked up on crescent rolls for the holidays. Those were $1.99 each, I think. Brussels sprouts were $1.99. I got 2 of those. I want to pickle them. I got some bags, and they were on sale for $1.99. So $1.99 special. I've got some butter here. It was on sale for $2.89, so I got 6. The maximum you can get was 6, so I got 3 salted and 3 unsalted. I got some more of these cookies that I'm going to do some more desserts, some Christmas desserts. I got some cinnamon rolls here, or no, $1.99, and these were $1.39, so that's a pretty good price. I got 3 of these waters. I've only got 1 here. Those were $2.89. Got some golden round crackers for some recipes. I think those were $2.89, and I think these were $2.99, the baked crackers, but I got the family size, so that is all I got for $79, I think. So it was just a small little haul, and I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next one.